Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find these double integrals. The integration of the x that is about x, and then we can put the bounds of x that is from 0 to 2y. So I will put 2y cone here, number 0 cone here. And this one that is about 2y. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to y squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2y dy. Next, we need to change the bounds. When y equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, and we have u equals to number 0. When y equals to number 2, we put number 2 cone here, and we have u equals to number 4. So number 0 we keep the same, number 2 we change for number 4. This one we change for u. 2y dy we change for du. The integration of e to the power of u, that is about e to the power of u, and we can put the bounds from 0 to number 4. And that is the final answer. E to the power of 0, that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.